Today we will talk about this bike, which we can ride in snow, highways, beaches, in mountains. The electric bicycle R6 adopts a high-strength aluminum alloy frame. The battery is built into the frame of the frame, which not only saves space, but also makes the bicycle's exterior design more attractive, while also ensuring its safety and durability. The operating area is equipped with switches, lights, horns, indicator lights and speed buttons. Even if you have never ridden an electric bike before, you can learn all the functions quickly. The R7 is foldable and easy to carry, and fits in the trunk of most touring cars. Cycling to watch games and concerts can also help you avoid traffic jams and reach your destination quickly. During the holidays, cycling trips with friends or family are also a pleasure. The electric bicycle R6 is equipped with a double-disc oil brake and a power-off system. When you brake, the electric bicycle will cut off the power and turn on the braking system. Let the electric bicycle stop quickly to ensure driving safety. The R6 uses a dual shock absorption system with a 20x4.0-inch fat tire, which allows the vehicle to have a good shock absorption effect on daily roads, and can better adapt to various road conditions such as snow, highways, beaches, and mountains.